Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your Telegram account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, access your Telegram app first. Now this kind of interface gonna pop up, right? Go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top top left corner. Now tap on the settings icon, just give it right over there. Now scroll down and tap on this option called Telegram FAQ, and scroll down to the bottom and find this option called your account section, and tap on this delete your Telegram account in highlighted in the blue text, and you can see how to delete my account. If you would like to delete your account, you can do this on the deactivation page, right? Simply go ahead, tap on this blue highlighted text again, and this will take you to this kind of center. You're gonna go ahead enter your phone number over here that is your account is connected with. Once you enter that particular number, you're gonna go ahead tap on this next option. It will show you a box where you're gonna fill up why you are leaving a Telegram app itself. Once you enter that reason, it's gonna ask you confirmation. Go ahead, confirm it once again, and tap on this delete option, and then you will be able to delete your account just like that from your browser itself. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.